All right, so we are going to be looking at free response practice number 22, no calculator, and you should be able to answer A, B, and C on your own, and then we will check your answers based on the video. Okay, so here we go. A, what values of x will the graphs of f of x and g of x have discontinuities, and explain your reasoning? So here's the reasoning aspect right now. It says the graph of a rational function will have a discontinuity when the function is undefined, which would be when the denominator is equal to 0. F of x is f is undefined at x equals 3, and g is undefined at x equals -3 and +3. Let's take a look at B. If h of x, oops, if h of x is equal to f of x times g of x, find an equation for h in standard form and then determine at what value of y will the graph of h have a horizontal asymptote. If no such value exists, state so. Give a reason for your answer. Well, the first thing I need to do is multiply those two functions out, and then I end up getting h is this in standard form. And then if I take a look at the degrees, I can tell that the numerator is less than the denominator, which tells me that the horizontal asymptote is y equals 0. All right, on C, it says on what intervals will the function f of x be greater than g of x? Show the complete algebraic and sign analysis that leads to your answer. So this may look a little bit differently, but basically it's the same thing that we've been doing. So the first thing you want to do is put it in proper notation where you would have f of x greater than, so you would have 2 over x minus 3 greater than or equal to x minus 2 over x squared minus 9. That's what this says. Well, you know that when we have that, we're supposed to take this guy, bring it over to this, and then have it greater than or equal to 0, which is exactly what this is saying. Then what we need to do is get common denominators and simplify that. So that's what this is going to be saying. And then now we need to do our number line. So hopefully you guys are getting really good at doing that number line. And when you do that, you should have that -8, which is a 0, and then -3, which is undefined, and then 3, which is undefined. And so this would have neg pos, neg pos. And then remember the function originally said, where is the function greater than or equal to 0? And so we would make sure that we have this notation right here.